Hi class, welcome back to another video. In this video we will learn comment in C Sharp. Basically comment is used to explain your code and make it more readable, and it is used to prevent testing alternative code. Basically there are two type of comment. The first one is single line comment and the second one is multi-line comment. First, the single line comment is start with two forward slashes, and the multi-line comment is start with forward slash static, and we close with static and forward slash. Let me show you how. We can also use single line comment for our heading. This is our second class. This is our single line comment, and it is also show us the definition. We use the single line comment for the single sentence, and we can also comment our code. Let's run it. So you guys can see there's no type hello world because I comment my code, so that's why it's not showing us. Now let's move our comment. Now here you can see hello world, our print line, here our sentence hello world, and now the second one is multi-line comment. So multi-line comment we use it for multiple purpose or for multiple code, multiple sentences. So let me show you how. For example, let's make this long. Okay, that's a long one. So the first thing I should perform here single line comment which take along less like this, and the second option is multi-line comment. With all I need to do forward slash static, and here I end it. So our comment, this is our multi-line comment. This is how we can use our multi-line comment in C sharp. In the next video we will learn variable in C sharp. Thank you.